We're here to look at a stock that we haven't looked at in a very long time, but this one is looking to break past a key level of resistance coming up on. I want to talk about it in this video. It's a very cheap penny stock you will see on your screen, worth a fraction of a penny now. We did talk about this one quite a while ago and a lot has gone on since then. I want to talk about all of that in this video, so if it does sound good, make sure to leave a like on it and subscribe. But as always guys, remember, this is only my opinion and it certainly is not financial advice, so do your own research and make sure you're comfortable before getting in. Now on top of that, I must also stress in this instance, it's a penny stock, it's very high risk and you guys must be aware of that. Now on top of that, I must remind you as well that we are still doing our fundraiser for Save the Children. That is finishing on Christmas Eve, so if you can donate anything, the more that we can raise for the charity, the better. 100% of the proceeds do go straight there, and the link will be somewhere around the title of this video, so feel free to press on that button and donate if you can, but of course you do not have to. Now we're going to dive in and we're going to have a look on this chart at the price of this stock. Now on this one, we're looking more on the technical side. If you guys are looking for a fundamental update here, I can give it to you in the near future. But of course, with the price action being so volatile in the past few days, I think people really are looking at, the price rather than the fundamentals, because you will see, especially to give you guys the long story over the past year, we've seen these highs, a while ago, which took us all the way up to the 0.050 range, and since there we've dropped down to the 0.05 range. Now we've dropped down to the 0.0098 range. So you will see we have dropped significantly from there, and this was in a very speculative time. Now, of course, penny stocks were going up and down very much at the beginning of the year, around January to about April, I would say, and this is a company that did benefit from this for a period of time, and I know a lot of people did make money in this initial push, but then we started to see the drop and it faded out over time. Of course, we dropped really big up until where we are right now. Now in the past few months, it has been the case that recently it does appear we have found a bottom, and this bottom has been around the 0.0041 range. So you will see from the initial high, it really is a big drop. But the question now is, can we have that bounce back with GAXY? Now, like I said, it is going to be very speculative. And right now the stock does trade quite low volume, but being as you guys did ask me to make a video on it, it has come out. So what I'm looking for this one is going to be a push above initially this range of 0.01. It's not far away from where we are, and if we do hit that, I think we're looking to push potentially up to our previous high in the past month, which was all the way up at 0.0122. So you can see we're not too far away from that up here where those wicks were. But again, from there, we want to push above there potentially. And the question is, can this stock actually see a turnaround? Because yes, we have been in this level before. Yes, we have been just above the level of 0.01 before. But the question is, can we now go on to maintain that? So we are looking to maintain above this level in the next few days. Now, of course, whether that happens or not is unclear right now, and with these stocks, as I said, it is very hard to read. They are very speculative, so if you're looking to get in or if you are interested, make sure that you are very careful, because like I said, whilst it is up 7% in the prior day, it can fall very quickly as well. So be aware of the risk and make sure if you are looking to get in, you only put in what you're willing to lose. But for this one, for me, I'm looking at it as more of a short-term trade, and again, the trade could possibly be this level up to the level of 1.2, or perhaps even if we don't manage to get past this level, perhaps looking for a drop down. Now, of course, that is up to you guys to decide, and of course, I'm not going to tell you what are specific good price targets, because that is completely up to you, but make sure to do your own research and you should be fine. Thank you, see you soon. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further, we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks, including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.